This is the function of the reed switch experiment, and here we have the reed switch. So the connection is as follows. We connect the 6 volts battery in series with the main switch, which is connected to the reed switch and to the multicolor LED. And so we have the reed switch over here. As we can see, the main switch is on. The main switch is in the on position, but the multicolor LED is not on. So this is because we connected it in series with the reed switch, and the reed switch is a magnetic switch that contains metal reeds inside. So when a magnet is close to it, the attractive force will cause the reeds to come together. Thus, they will be in contact and the part is connected. So now I have the magnetic pole over here. So when I place the magnetic pole close to the reed switch, you can see the multicolor LED flashing. But when it's away from the reed switch, the circuit is no longer connected and the LED stops working. But when it's close to the reed switch, the circuit becomes connected and the LED begins to blink. So when it's far away, the part is no longer closed.